destruction. We've already missed a lot of it. You can see where the trees are down through there, down the highway. Here's more of the tornado destruction here near Glade Spring. Wow. Really devastated this area. You can see like houses damaged. Very sad. Some of the more severe destruction down here. See the boards and insulation along the road. Looks like some type of tractor trailer or storage building got thrown. More destruction over there. It's just very sad. Wow, it's just amazing what went on here the other night. So much destruction. Just debris everywhere. I think we're approaching Glade Spring exit right now, and this is where the gas station, the truck stop, was leveled. It's going to take a long time to recover from this. This is just worse than I imagined it was. It's the Glade Springs exit. Hotel over there. This is where it gets a little rough. This is towards our Comcast site. Wow, lots of down cables here. They really ripped through. A lot of devastation. Our cable's lashed with Comcast right here. And we're down in several places. The Comcast facility is just torn up, all the bits. Can't even get in there. So much destruction, it took the fence down. And the trailers.